Right, let's do some calculations involving sum to infinity. So here we're adding the terms of this series from n is equal to 1 up to n is equal to infinity. So this is sum to infinity. So this means we are adding, so we can substitute 1, then we substitute 2, then we substitute 3 till infinity. This will give us 3. This will give us 3 over 2, and then this will give us 3 over 4. Let's check if this series is converging, right? R is equal to T2 divided by T1. So if you say 3 over 2 divided by 3, which is just the same as 3 over 2 times 1 over 3. So meaning that R is half. Yes. So R is between -1 and 1. So the series is converging, right? So A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 1 over 2. So sum to infinity, that's the formula, A over 1 minus R. And then where there's R we put 1 over 2, where there's A we put 3. So sum to infinity equal to 3 over 1 minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 6. So sum to infinity is equal to 6 here, right? Let's do example 2. Use the formula for sum to infinity of a geometric series to express 0,3 recurring as a common fraction. Alright, what is the meaning of 0,3 recurring? 0,3 recurring means 0,3333 goes on to infinity. So this is like 0,3 is equal to 0,3 plus 0,03 plus 0,003 plus 0,0003. It goes on like that. Right, 0,3, 0,03, 0,003, 0,0003, something like that. It goes on like that. Meaning that we have our A and then we have our ratio 0,03 divided by 0,3. This will give you 1 over 10, which is like 0,1. Okay, right? So what you do, so it means our R is 0,1, our A is 0,3. A is equal to 0,3 and R is equal to 0,1. Then sum to infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R, right? And then sum to infinity is equal to 0,3 over 1 minus 0,1. 1 minus 0,1 is 0,9. So it means sum to infinity is equal to 0,3 over 0,9, which is like 3 over 9, which reduces to 1 over 3. Therefore, 0,3 recurring is equal to 1 over 3. Example 3. For which values of k will this series converge? When does a series converge? A geometric series will converge if R is between -1 and 1. So what is R for this series? T2 divided by T1. So k plus 1 squared divided by k plus 1 will give us k plus 1. Okay, k plus 1 squared divided by k plus 1 is equal to k plus 1. So it means R is k plus 1. So where is R here? We put k plus 1. So it's going to be -1 there, and then k plus 1 less than 1. Okay, right. And then what do? We want to get k. So we're going to subtract 1 in every part of the inequality. So it's going to be -1, and then -1, and then here is -1, and then -1. So we're subtracting 1 in every part of the inequality so that we remain with k here. So it's going to be k here, then -1 minus 1 is -2, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. See that? So for which values of k will this series converge? The series will converge when k is between -2 and 0. Example 4. A convergent geometric series is the first term of 6 and sum to infinity of 8. Determine the constant ratio. Right? So we're told that it's a convergent geometric series, so sum to infinity is equal to a, or 1 minus r. Sum to infinity is 8, then a is 6, and then we're looking for r. Okay, we multiply by 1 minus r on both sides. 8, 1 minus r is equal to 6. Distribute 8 minus 8r is equal to 6. Negative 8r is equal to -2. 6 minus 8 is -2. So 8r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2 over 8. Therefore, r is equal to 1 over 4. Done.